Gonna miss everything. Let's make sure it's gonna miss this. All right. We good. Let's go. Excuse me, I can't help but laugh. Oh Lord. I think Obi-Wan wanted 2 minutes. You knock the camera out? It broke the stand. Damn. Am I still alive? Oh wow. That was crazy. And it was a maximum of 10,850 RPM. Damn. Don't know how hot it got, but it got hot. Yeah, I got a video. And that was totally crazy. It still lives. It broke. It broke the welds on my engine stand. Huh. Yeah, and 10,850 RPMs. Probably been a good motor. Right around 2 minutes though. And yeah, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy. But anyway, another thing I wanted to show y'all was these inner tubes that I get. And they're like thorn proof. They're extra heavy. This thing weighs like 1.5 pounds. And they're TAC 9. And this is not a paid promotional or anything like that. These are just good inner tubes. And my camera's still spinning around here. That was crazy. That was totally crazy. I was wondering what was gonna go first, but the engine didn't. The yelling demon, it won. So, crazy. And it actually broke the expansion chamber bolt that I had on there. This thing was just like crazy. So we did get, what was it, 10,000? Yeah, 10,850. So not too bad. So anyway, sorry guys. Didn't get really a good temperature on it, but it got hot. And it sheared everything off. So, and it still lives. Oh well.